I'm so excited today to talk to you about a set of tools for business writing that's going to help you improve your business writing skills. Now, the first thing, in order to help you understand business writing, is to differentiate it between creative and academic writing. This writing, business writing, is not creative. You don't have to wax prosaic. We don't even want you to. You don't have to be poetic. It's not like academic writing, where you are research-based, as in writing something for a scientific publication. We want, for your business writing, simply to help you relay information that is clear, specific, and direct. You want to help your business employees to move from point A to point Z in as little time and with the most efficiency possible, so that you can be action-oriented and help people get things done. So we're going to give you 8 tools that are going to help you construct clear, concise messages so that you communicate with power and efficiency. Now, in order to do that, we're going to give you some rules and we're going to give you some guidelines. Rules are those things that if you break them, you're actually going to go to grammar jail, which means these are bona fide rules that are right or wrong. You want to understand what those rules are so that you don't break them. They're important. On the other hand, you have guidelines. These are style guidelines. These are things that aren't necessarily rules that will send you to jail, to grammar jail, but these are guidelines that, when implemented at the right time and place in business writing, are going to help you construct clearer, more effective messages. So now I'm going to illustrate for you one of those grammar rules that, if you break it, actually changes the meaning of the sentence. Now, what I'm trying to say is that John owns a small business. He's a small business owner. But in actuality, the sentence as written, because I haven't correctly used my adjectives in the sentence, is saying that John is a little tiny business owner. And I'm not trying to say that he's a small business owner. I'm trying to say that he's an owner who does small business. So to fix this, I'm going to add in a hyphen. We'll talk more about this later, but one of our rules states that we have to use adjectives correctly. And in this case, in order to link these two adjectives together, I need a hyphen. So break that rule, you've actually broken a grammar rule and you changed the meaning of the sentence. Now let me show you an example of something that's simply a guideline, where a grammar rule is not being broken, but if you violate the guideline, you weaken your sentence. One of our guidelines states that we want to use strong subjects that have a strong relationship with the action taking place in the sentence. This sentence is a weak example of that principle. It is important that we deliver the documents. Let's first do a word count, and then we're going to look at the subject-verb relationship. So this sentence has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words in it. Again, in business, remember, we want to get people from point A to point Z as efficiently and quickly as possible. So reducing word count typically is something that we want to do. I'm going to now circle the subject of the sentence and underline the verb. It is. Well, it is a wimpy subject. It's weak, and it's not really an actor of the action doing something. It's simply a weak pronoun. So I'm going to eliminate this and restructure my sentence. Now I've rewritten the sentence with a strong subject, and it says, we must deliver the documents. Clear, direct language. And in fact, instead of using 8 words, I'm only using 5. I'm delivering my meaning faster and with better clarity, because now I've indicated who is actually doing the action. That's a guideline. It is important to deliver the documents. Doesn't break a grammar rule. You won't go to grammar jail, but you are being inefficient. So in the next set of series of videos, we're going to give you both rules and guidelines that are going to help you write clear, strong, powerful business writing.